Hi, welcome back to Gorilla Technical Series. And today we are going to understand how to extend the get Queryset method. This is important if you want to filter the data or customize how the Queryset plot behaves. Okay, let's start. Before that, I have created a shift request menu in our Gorilla project. You can see it here. I have added a custom shift request menu here in the custom app in the sidebar. For that, I have created a submenu and created some uh, symbol views here and added that in the URLs. You can see it here. So here you can see I have added a Horilla section view and I am extending our existing shift request tool. Okay, we will be discussing Horilla section view in a later video. So now let's start the how to extend our get code reset method. For that, you can see I have extended the shift request list here. Let's go to the shift request list. Here, you can see how the shift request list is created. Here I have commented the get request for reset method here. So let's see how it works now. Okay. For that, let's go to the web page. Here, I am logged in as a super admin. And we can see all the shift requests here. You can see five shift requests here. So now let's log in as a regular user. So for that, I am logging as a regular user. You can see Sarah Anderson is a login user, normal user. So she don't have access to the other other functions and like that, only for her her functions. So, but we can see all the other employees data also in uh, this view for the normal employee also. Right, we can see the microbiomes and Owen Jenkins and others details also here. So we don't want others to see our data. For that, we can use the get code reset method. Okay. Now, why do we want to extend the get code reset method? We should override the get code reset method if you want to apply any additional or specific filters to your views, or else you want to modify the code reset after the default filters are applied, and if you want to bypass the filtering in some cases. Okay, let me show you how to do that. Okay, for that, let's go to our VS Code. Okay, now we want to create the get code reset method. I'm just copying the previously added method, and I will show you how this works. I'm uncommenting this, thinking that. Okay, now we want to import the. I will explain that later. Okay, so here we have extended the get code reset method. Uh, first thing we want to do is the do the super dot code reset method and assign it to code reset. And after that, we can do the filtering and other things in this function. So here we want to restrict the other employees who doesn't have the view employee shift request, uh, shift request permission, or the the reporting managers only see the data of the subordinates sub of their subordinates, like that. So that for that you want to write a condition, and if the you write this condition, if the employee has view shift restored view shift request permission, uh, it will be automatically it will not be added to this condition, and the core reset will be seen. And if the employee that is the logged in employee, that is we get that from here self dot request dot user.employee.get is the current login user, login employee. If we are checking if he is the employee, if we are filtering the subordinates of that employee here, we can see this is the subordinates of the currently logged in user, and we are adding the filter of the current employee here. Logged in employee is also being added to the query set. And now we can see when we go to the normal employee view, we cannot see the request. So now we go to the normal employee view, and when we refresh the data, let's see, we can only see the data of the logged in employee, because she doesn't have the base.view shift request permission, or she is not any not any reporting manager, so that she doesn't see the data of their subordinates. And if we go to logged in as another employee who have the permission, we are given the permission like the shift request view permission for the supervisor. Like for the supervisor, we have every permission, so we can see all the data here. We have successfully restricted the other employees from seeing the data of requests of the other employees. We have successfully restricted the normal employee from seeing the data of the normal other employees, and only the employees with the permission can only view the data of every employees. So that's what get Queryset do. If you want to apply additional filters or to modify your Queryset, you just extend the get Queryset method, and you can do the necessary filtering in the get Queryset method and return Queryset, and that Queryset will be the Queryset added in the list view. Okay guys, that's all. I think you understand how to extend the get Queryset method. And if you have any doubts, you can ask it in the comment, or you can reach to us at support@horilla.com.